Okay, let's go.
Welcome to the new video. Yes, I'm in my really homeless attire. I had no motivation to film this, but I have to. Thought I was gonna yap something, but I forgot. So let's just make this a Savannah Hall, mini Savannah Hall. Not so mini, but mini. And also, theater shoes. My favorite. I wanted them for so long, and finally I got them. So मेरा इससे भी होमलेस अटायर होता है, but this was the cutest one I could find. I know everything feels pink right now. Everything seems to be pink right now. I'm just trying to make it pink, but inside, कुछ pink नहीं है. Okay, this does not look good. It does not make it better. पहले कपड़े खोल लेते हैं. Let's start with Savannah. This shouldn't be given to me. My clumsy ass shouldn't be around this.
How do people do this so smoothly?
What am I doing wrong? I'm doing everything wrong in life and just. There you go. Oh damn. बंद करने की मुझे और खुल रही थी, मुझे ही लग जाता. See, this clumsy ass shouldn't be around this. Damn it. I broke it. Wow.
Yeah, that's why I was saying you can do that. Ouch. Ouch.
Okay. Someone will figure this out. I should be kept away from that. पहले ही मेरी favorite चीज़ दिख गई. So I ordered a lot of stuff, but this is half of the stuff. The fast delivery one, which came earlier. Corset. मेरा पहनने का बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं है. So I have to wear and show this. Something black. Oh, Accubuy aesthetic top. White top. Dress. Okay, I have to wear this. Okay. Yeah, I have to wear. Oh, I got my cute PJs. I have very less cute PJs. I wear maxis at home. Yes, I do. ये क्या था? मैं भूल गई क्या था. White.
Oh, I guess so.
Half of the stuff I've ordered is I forgot. You do a lot of research. You see the reviews still. आने के बाद थोड़ा and Savannah's quality has degraded जब से वो फेमस हुआ है. पहले मैंने जब स्टार्टिंग में ऑर्डर करती थी इतनी प्रीमियम क्वालिटी. अभी why Savannah and some oh wait, I was just gonna say कि some girls don't get the stickers और the Savannah picked the lucky one ऐसा बोलने ही वाली थी. मुझे stickers नहीं मिले इस बार. जब भी in past I used to order, I always used to get this पहले वाला. So I always used to get stickers. Where are my stickers? I want stickers. धोखा. I love this. Keep, definitely a keep. Should I do a keep and return video? This is definitely a keep. पेट दिख रहा है भाई. but still looks good. I'm so happy with this. I had doubts about this. I can't believe why. Damn. So I got this thinking it would be a 2000s coded Y2K top, and it is. It fits like a glove, and it's cotton, good quality cotton. And I had a top like this in childhood, which used to look really cool on me. Childhood, matlab 7वीं 8वीं में, and I used to look really cool on it. And this was giving kind of similar vibes, so I wanted it, and I got it, and I love it. I'm not gonna style it right now, but yes, ये अच्छा लग रहा है to be honest. But still, अभी इसी jeans पे सब try करने वाली, क्योंकि मेरा बिल्कुल mood नहीं कुछ style करने का honestly. Next, let's go with all the pinks. I was gonna say this is too revealing and I'm not gonna keep this, but I forgot I had this. So girlies, if you have this problem, because I got this from Amazon, it's great. Problem is great. I have it in 3 colors. If you want, I'll link this down below. I wish I could show you how to put this on. This is like एक यहाँ से, and then you have to clip it behind. Great product. I love this. And because of that, I can keep this top. Though I look a bit fat in this, but मैं हूँ तो लूँगी ही. Keep in another size. I mean. Next, oh shit, white पहनना है, and I hope I don't ruin my white clothes yet. First, I forgot to turn on the mic, and then I forgot to turn on the video. Anyways, this is the top. It has this thing from behind. I know I'm going soft colors, but मेरे closet में soft colors थोड़े कम हैं. I guess पता नहीं. I don't know. मतलब मैं बहुत ही grunge vibe, and this is very soft vibe. So now I'm rethinking my decision. Anyways, कोई नहीं. I like it. This makes me look like a baddie. I've seen this. Good lacing details. Quality. Chumma quality. And I know I've taken a lot of white things. I don't regret it actually. This is super cute. I love this. You can style it with so many things. Yeah, but this is see-through thing. I know why I got this. This is like a shirt, and it has a hoodie. I thought the shirt would be cotton too. I had a vision. Now I don't know. Okay, wait. Okay. This does look good, but ये मैं कुछ ऐसे वाइट चुड़ैल लग रही हूँ. कॉप्स लग रही है, भूतनी लग रही है. Oh my god. Anyway, I wanted a lace top like this cup से since so long. Perfect lace top, and this is the one. I found it. मिल ही गया. थोड़ी देर पहले सवाना की क्वालिटी के बारे में कंप्लेन कर रही थी, और सब हर चीज़ की क्वालिटी अच्छी है, बट जो शर्ट था उसकी भी क्वालिटी थोड़ी स्केप्टिकल है. बाकी I didn't feel anything else This is not cotton. ये भी कुछ अलग था, बट बाकी हर चीज़ की क्वालिटी. It looks good, no doubt it looks good, but यहाँ से I'm not sure that it's a bit hard to tube top जैसा ही दिखता है, but मोटापे की problem. I'm not making anyone insecure. I'm just making myself. I don't know what I'm saying. Pooch. It's a 3-piece set. Ignore that. Ignore that. I like this haul. I liked everything I got so far. और वो बाद में करते हैं. मैंने मीशो से भी कुछ चीज़ें ली थी, बट अभी I'm tired हो गया मेरा आज का दिन का कुर्ता पूरा. Tired मतलब more mentally, but still. Let's not talk about that. Anyways, I was gonna yap about a movie I watched recently, Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. Those who have watched it, good movie taste, great, but also congrats on surviving on the heartache watching that movie, going through it. Congrats me, sorry. My condolences. I actually needed therapy, and this was my way of therapy, splurging on clothes. And it kind of worked. कुछ दिन के लिए काम करेगा. Then I'm back in my cycle again. But वो तो चलता रहता है. What I always do is I get stuck in the cycle. Let's not go into it, and I can't do anything. I can't get out of bed even. So I have to challenge myself to get out of my comfort zone, and this is that. Oh shit, shoes रह गए. अरे यार, अरे वो कटर टूट गया. Damn it. अरे shit, वो ड्रेस पहन रही थी तो शूज दिखाने चाहिए थे. अब कंटाला आ रहा है, बट करना पड़ेगा. This is what I'm talking about. Challenging myself to, मतलब कंटाले की बात नहीं है, but just I can't do anything. I have so many things to do. I put them on my to-do list. I do this, that, but at the end, इतनी सारी goals, but you know, ऐसे ही निकालना पड़ेगा क्या? यार, what's wrong with me? Oh my god, let's not go there again. Because I'll need a whole list to state what's wrong with me. It's not wrong with me. The question should be that. मैं ब्लेड ही मेरे हाथ में इतना खतरनाक था, अभी पता नहीं कौन होता है. मॉम मेरे हाथ में देखा तो नहीं, बट she knows right that I'm too clumsy with this. One of my favorite packaging is Theatre XYZ, but I don't know if you haven't heard of this brand. What are you doing? Why you haven't heard of this brand? Now, see. You're gonna see the most royalty packaging. Theatre, I love you, by the way. If you haven't heard of this brand Theatre, they have really cool products. मतलब shoes, perfumes, some accessories. You'll love it. They release this really interesting animated advertisements, so I love that. Okay, this is the socks. I have the stockings. I have the black Noir stockings, which I use like एकदम स्कूल में कॉलेज में उनके नॉयर स्टॉकिंग्स बहुत यूज़ करती थी बिकॉज वो ओपेक स्टॉकिंग्स हैं एंड आई लव वेयरिंग स्कर्ट्स सो दैट वाज द ओनली वे स्कूल में ऑफ कोर्स ड्रेस कोड रेस्ट्रिक्शन स्कूल की बोल रही मैं कॉलेज I'm gonna try on this. I don't know why, but let's wear the short pants and then try. Okay. I look very weird. स्कूल का बच्चा जिसकी शर्ट बाहर होती है. सॉरी फॉर द माइक. कैसी भी आवाज़ हो क्योंकि इसका वो ऊपर वाला घूम गया. भाई मैं कैसी दिख रही हूँ. Why do I look like this? I mean लोगों पर कैसे क्यूट दिखते हैं और मुझ पे ऐसे क्यों दिख रहा है. Damn it, I thought I would be very sneaky cool with this, but man, couldn't do it. Shoes reveal. I wanted this for so long. मैं हर चीज़ के बारे में ऐसा ही बोलती हूँ शायद. Oh shit. मुझे दिखाना रह गया. अरे यार. This was the top. These seem kind of big and my shoe size is 4. Don't laugh. Yes, it's 4. Okay, now I actually look like a schoolboy. I was too lazy to tie that, so ignore it. This looks like an ID and I look like a schoolboy. Bye. अलविदा दोस्तों, मिलते हैं अगले अजीब वीडियो तक.